we're going to look at some unit rate problems. This first one says, if Michael rides his bike 24 miles in 3 hours, what is the rate he rode his bike in 1 hour? And unit, of course, means it's got a denominator of 1, so that's where the 1 hour comes from. Now down here you're going to see we have 24 miles in 3 hours. So to get this to a rate of 1 hour, we would just divide the 3 hours by 3, as you see here. And then 24 miles divided by 3 is going to give us 8 hours. Now, you are probably saying, I'm sorry, 8 miles. You're probably saying to yourself, well, why don't we just divide to begin with? As you're going to see in this next problem, sometimes the numbers aren't always that easy. And also the problems are going to get more complicated. And I invite you to check out a video on Khan Academy. It's under the ratios and proportions section there. It gets a little bit more complicated. It's not something we're going to look at right now in 6th grade, but you will see that down the line. And that's why it's important to set things up this way. This next problem is a unit price problem, and unit price is pretty much the same thing as unit rate. All it means is that we're putting the price per 1 unit, okay? So in this problem, Selena bought 3 gallons of ice cream for a party she is having and spent $15.87. At the party, someone asked her how much money she spent. Selena was able to tell the friend using unit pricing. Good for you, Selena. Show her work. So, what Selena did, pretty similar to the last problem we had. She had $15.87 for 3 gallons, and we know to get this to be divided by 1 unit, we would divide by 3 on the bottom here, and you're going to do the same thing to $15.87. So when you divide this by 3, what you'll end up getting is $5.29. So we can actually put that right over here, and we now know that the rate, the unit price, is $5.29.